Hey guys, welcome to the short video lesson by Cosmic Wealth. In today's lesson, we'll be learning about engulfing fails. That is how you can use the bearish and bullish engulfing patterns in the chart and how you can trade using them. But I'm not teaching you the conventional method that you find in YouTube. Okay, so for beginners, let me just explain what is an engulfing pattern. Basically, these are continuation patterns. Okay, so a bearish engulfing means first you will have a green colored candle like this, okay, then followed by a red colored candle like this. So here you can see this red is completely engulfing this green, right? Engulfing means if you put this, just see it this way, okay, if you put this red on top of this green, see it's completely engulfed, right? That's what it means. Okay, so this is a bearish engulf, meaning see green candle, what's happening, buyers came, what's happening in the red, sellers completely dominated. See, sellers ate the buyers, you can see it that way, they're eating the buyers here. Okay, so buyers are completely engulfed by sellers. So what's the probability here, guys? Market has a chance to go down. Okay, similarly you can see a bullish engulf in which first you will see a red candle, which is a seller dominated candle, followed by a green candle like this. So who's actually engulfing whom? Here you can see this green is actually engulfing this red, right? That is, if you put this green on top of this red, you can see green is engulfing it, right? So what it means is, see, first sellers came, from here till here sellers came, then what happened, buyers came and completely dominated the sellers, right? So you can see this buyers are actually eating out these sellers, right? See, covering the sellers, right? So sellers are dominated by buyers. So what's the probability here? Market has chance to push higher and higher. So this is a bullish engulf. I hope it's clear. It's very easy, right? This is a bullish engulf. The opposite of this is what you call a bearish engulfing pattern. Okay, it will look like this. First green, complete domination by sellers. Okay, so these are patterns you find in the chart very frequently. Okay, and there are people who trade using these, but there's actually a drawback if you're using these alone. You will get a lot of these in your chart and you might get confused. Okay, so that's why I'm going to teach you a simple method in which you can use engulfing patterns to trade. Okay, first step is to identify what direction the market is going. So it's going down, right? It's going down. So in this case, we look for what? I told you engulfings are actually continuation patterns. So we look for a bearish engulf. Why? Because we are looking for the market to go down and down, right? So we are looking for a bearish engulf. Okay, so let's take an example here. Here you can see this green came, this red is completely coming and cutting out this buyers, right? These buyers, right? So isn't this like an engulfing candle, guys? This pattern till here, you can call it an engulf, right? Some people will call this star pattern, but I'm just calling this engulfing because it's a time frame dependent. You can see buyers came, sellers came again, completely cut off the buyers. So this is a bearish engulf, indicating that market wants to push lower and lower because the overall trend is down. Now, some people will actually take an entry here, okay, and keep their stop loss here. But I'll tell you a very good confirmation for you to take an entry using a bearish engulf. It's simple. You look for a bullish engulf before that. Okay, bullish engulf, I told you, is exactly opposite of this. So here when you see this, red came, green came and covered this red, right? So isn't this a bullish engulf, guys? Yes. So this bullish engulf came, then a bearish engulf came, and we know overall trend is down. So what do we do here is we wait for this stock to come below this bullish engulf. Okay, we have a bullish engulf here, bearish engulf came, indicating the stock wants to go down, but we wait till it crosses this. This is where we can take a good entry, and you can see it has pushed down very well. See, it has shown very little movement above this line. You can see it's showing a resistance here. See how many times the candles came and reacted here. See this, guys. See how many times it has reacted. Again, see the reaction happening here. See, these are all price action secrets that you won't find in YouTube or anywhere. So just use this for your advantage in trading. Okay, so this is how you should be looking at bearish engulfs. Okay, let's take another example. Here you can see green came, red came and completely engulfed this green. So we have a bearish engulf. Market is down, we know it should go down. But how do we confirm if it's a good one? We look for a bullish engulf. You can see red came, bulls completely covering this. So isn't this a bullish engulf? Now, where do we take our entry, guys? Once it crosses this, see, you can see that the market has shown a very good reaction downside. See, and it has not crossed this level. See, it has not come above this level. The market has went down really well below this level. So this is a very good method in which you can use price action to understand how the market is going. It's basically completely dependent on the direction of the trend. Okay, this is a downtrending market. Let's take a few more examples so that you'll be very clear on how you can trade these engulfing patterns. So like I said, we use two patterns for confirmation. One bullish engulf and the bearish engulf. Okay, so let's take here, guys. Here you can see red color, green colored candle indicating a bullish engulf, but we know overall trend of the market is down. Now this green came, see this red coming and this is also covering, so this is like an engulfing, right? It's a bearish engulfing here. Okay, now what are we waiting for? We're waiting for the market to cross this low here, and you can see when it crosses here, it came down all the way till here, and you can see the reaction happening here. You can see this, see the candles creating a reaction near this line that we have drawn. See, this is actually how price respects this. Okay, this is how price respects these candles. Okay, you can find engulfings like individually you can find, but you won't find this reaction in price in those cases. See how price reacts every time it hits this line. So these are price action secrets that you should be aware of while trading. Okay, so let's take this example. We know overall trend is down. What is this, guys? You can see red came, green candles came in, completely engulfed this. So this is a bullish engulf. We have a bullish engulf here. We have a bearish engulfing candle here. What are we waiting for? Will we take entry here? No, we wait for this region to cross, and you can see that once it crosses, it fell really well. See this. So this is how you can use bearish engulf in a downtrending market. Similarly, if you use the opposite method in an uptrending market, bullish engulfs will work really well there. So if you guys want us to make more videos like this, do leave a comments in the comment section below.